Data looks good on the tablet.
Confirmed. Process A is stable.
The finely sifted Process B protein meal is introduced into large stainless steel mixing tanks. High-speed
The cloudy liquid protein suspension is rapidly routed into high-speed industrial centrifuges, which spin aggressively to separate.
The pre-cooking temperature is stable and uniform.
Confirmed. Excellent consistency on the EL00 run. The spray is fine and controlled, ensuring that the final elephant meat substitute, model EL00, maintains its consistency.
Under immense pressure and heat, the pale protein paste violently expands as it exits the high shear extruder die head.
The deep freezing tunnel receives the elephant meat substitute, model EL00. The material spends a precise amount of
Scanning complete on shelf 4. All items accounted for.
Good. QA hold released. Proceed to transfer.
Here are the final production reports and freezing log data for the EL Minter batch.
Confirmed. All steps of Process A are finalized and recorded.
Flow rate looks good, impurities are washed out.
Purity levels confirmed for PSI 90. Let's move to the drying phase.
Steam rises gently from the evaporators, increasing the solid's concentration, preparing the material for its transformation into the ultra-fine, pure white powder state.
High-grade soy protein isolate powder, model PSI 90, streams continuously into a large stainless steel collection.
All right, this pallet is secured.
Manifest updated. Moving to the next pick location now.
The high-grade soy protein isolate powder, model PSI 90, is carefully loaded and the doors sealed immediately for dispatch.
All right, that should be everything. Perfect, thank you. Have a safe trip.
Batch code confirmed for PSI 90. Moving this pallet to storage now.
PSI 90 ready for staging.
Confirmed.
We just add 1 scoop of the PSI 90 soy protein isolate. As you can see, it blends perfectly into the batter, showcasing its high solubility and versatility.
This shot demonstrates that the high-grade soy protein isolate powder model PSI 90 does not compromise the texture.
From powders to bars, the sheer volume of products highlights the widespread usage of our high-grade soy protein isolate.